Niche by its side. What is it like? What's the connection?
Very good question. Today when I was getting ready, I was telling them that you all come right now, go into the bathroom and see that I have carried my own Triple Nutrition conditioner and shampoo. You don't believe me? I'll take you also after this up to my bathroom. You can still see. It's right there. I travel with it. It's in my gym bag. It's in my travel bag when I'm going outdoors. I genuinely believe in it. It's not about, it's not, everything's not about money, it's the emotional connect as well. So I do stand by it. Like, I do use it. I'm not going to be endorsing something that I don't believe in. And I believe it helps my hair. So yeah, come after the press conference, Gero, I'll take you.
Hi, Alia. Sasha here from Hotyor.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Alia, see, here we're talking about Triple Nutrition. So, we're talking about 3 strengths that, it has in the shampoo. So when we talk about 3 strengths that you have, if you could share 3 of your strengths, actually.
Good question. I'd like to believe that I have a good amount of willpower, which I feel I get from my dad. He has amazing willpower, and I learned that from him. Another thing is that, which I believe is very important for me in my profession, is to be very thick-skinned. So I have that strength to be thick-skinned and take things at the surface and then not let that affect me in an emotional way, even though I'm a very sensitive person. And the third strength would be that I think I feel being understanding as a person always helps with your friends and with the people who are close to you. So I have an understanding quality, again, which I get from my mother. I have this ability, which she has, to put myself in another person's shoes, which makes me very forgiving. Sometimes that goes against me, but sometimes it also helps in the long run. So I think that, talking about strength, that makes up my strengths.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. This is Raj from media. Alia, here. How do you keep yourself fit and healthy? And how do you think this fitness helps you in this profession?
I do a combination of Pilates and weight training, and I have a very, not strict diet, but yeah, I have a strict diet that I constantly follow. Right now I'm trying to get into like perfect body shape, so it's been going on since a while. And I think it is very important to look a certain way. I don't feel being like extra skinny or, extra thin is something that is desirable. You have to be fit. It's about the internal fitness level that you have. The body fat percentage should be at this right % level. Because at the end of the day, in this profession, people are putting money on you. They're going to watch you look a certain way. So you have to be desirable. You can't just take it for granted. So I do work very hard in that aspect. I am working hard right now.
Alia, hi, सामने आपके यहाँ.
Hi.
Hi, कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
आलिया, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी फन, इंटरटेनिंग, बबली और नॉटी के नाम से जानी जाती हैं.
नॉटी?
तो, हाँ. तो हम
कब से?
ऐसा माना जाता है बॉलीवुड में. तो हम
मुझे किसी ने, अच्छा एनीवे,
तो हम ऐसा माने कि ये गार्नियर का कमाल है या गार्नियर से रिलेट है, इसलिए आप ऐसा
कि मैं नॉटी हूँ.
हाँ, तो मतलब ये गार्नियर का कमाल है, ऐसा माने.
देखो, when you say naughty, I think बालों में knots.
जी.
तो गार्नियर फ्रूटिस का कमाल है वो knots निकालना. तो मैं नहीं मानती हूँ कि मैं naughty हूँ गार्नियर फ्रूटिस की वजह से. But anyways, I don't think I'm naughty. I may be a little naughty, but everybody has to be naughty.
तो गार्नियर ब्रांड में ऐसा क्या कुछ है जो आपसे सिमिलर है, आपसे मिलता जुलता है, ऐसा कुछ?
I think it's the fact that it caters to the youth and it caters to the audience that I am representing, क्योंकि मैं अभी 21 years की हूँ and I'm probably the youngest person in the industry. So I have a very instant youth connect with the brand.
Hi Alia, आपके राइट में आलोक here from
Hello,
AFM.
how are you?
All well, आप कैसी हैं?
ठीक.
ठीक है. सवाल ये है कि इंडस्ट्री में किसके बाल आपको काफी अच्छे लगते हैं, पुरुषों में भी और महिलाओं में भी?
किसके बाल मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं? I think सोनम कपूर, beautiful hair.
And पुरुषों में?
पुरुषों, पर उनके ज्यादा बाल नहीं होते तो.
अरे होते हैं.
पुरुषों, सबका who has the longest hair at the moment? I think Ranveer Singh had very nice long hair in Ramleela. अभी I think छोटे हो गए, but my dad, बहुत अच्छे बाल हैं उनके. Smooth और silky and not naughty.
ये शैम्पू आप किसको गिफ्ट करना चाहेंगे अपनी तरफ से, खुद के अलावा?
मैं अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को गिफ्ट करना चाहूंगी. इनफैक्ट मैंने उनको ऑलरेडी कुछ आई हैव गिवन इट टू देम, एंड whoever comes by me, I always tell them you must use Garnier Fructis. You must use Garnier. So I give it one particular person you're asking. No, you want one of those answers. I give it to Pariniti. No, I don't mean like a random guy coming and smelling my hair like that. I mean there's a science, you know, when you have like attraction pheromones that me talking about science is seeming a bit dull, but that are released through the smell of your hair, and automatically it's like almost, I'm getting into a complete different zone right now talking about animals and all, but basically it's the smell that you get attracted to, and that's something that I feel like even a person should smell nice, hair, body, everything. What? Come and smell my hair? Why should I share this information now with you? Random people have not done that, because that is true. They will probably not get a very pleasant reaction from me. But I smell my hair. I prefer not to comment on what the film is right now. I don't think it's my place to. Whenever people do comment, it will be from Ayan and Karan's side, not from me.
Apologies for the intervention.
I can confirm that I'm doing the film. Yay.
Apologies for the intervention, but we just, due to time constraint, we have time left for two last questions, please. Thank you.
Mic. Scream. Give them a mic. No, please. But you are very loud. I can hear you.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good.
अच्छा आलिया, जितने भी नए एक्टर्स अभी बॉलीवुड में आए हैं, आप है, श्रद्धा है, आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं जो फिल्में जो पुरानी एक्टर्स थी, कैटरीना है, दीपिका है, उनको मिलती थी जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव इंक्रीज देयर प्राइस, वो फिल्म्स अब आप लोगों को अप्रोच कर रही हैं, ऐसी कोई फिल्म आपको आई है?
No, I don't believe that. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like